Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to review the VL hot shoe small light here from Ulanzi. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. This is a really cheap light, very portable because of its size and easy to use. It's rechargeable using a USB-C, and just a good light to have all around in your camera bag, or if you are a YouTuber like myself, just to have it in my GoPro bag, and just to be able to have an extra light when you can kind of put it on the side, perhaps with a stand like this one, like this particular tripod. This is a flexible leg tripod. You can bend all the three legs into I guess all kinds of shapes so that it can wrap around certain pole or tree branch or etc. Yeah, so it's really useful, and it has a regular hot shoe mount there that can screw into something like this, and so therefore you can position like something like this kind of light anywhere you need it to be. So let's go through real quick what comes in a box. Whoops, I just tore that. I was trying to get into the manual here. So this is again the Vl30 mini light, they call it, by Ulanzi. It comes with manual and USB-C charging cable. It does not come with a USB adapter. So the charging just comes plug with a plug here on the left side, and the back of the light. Let me peel off this plastic, protective plastic. It just has the word Ulanzi, and it has the 4 charging indicator. So when the indicators is full, it goes all the way to the right and it turns green, I think. And let me see if I can demonstrate that real quick. Okay, I was wrong. Basically it's 4 blue lights, and they all turn solid when it's fully charged. When it's not fully charged, wherever they are left over, it will start blinking, and wherever it is left over. This light also has an additional hot shoe that you can put an additional light here, so you can actually connect as many as you want of these Ulanzi light going upwards. There is no extra hot shoe on the side, so you can only go upwards. Okay, so this is what the camera looks like. And I'm going to try to turn it on. So there's a single button here on the right hand side. So if you click on that, nothing happens. All right. I think you have to long press it. There you go. So long pressing it, turn it into this strange blinking mode. Okay, so I guess let me press it one time. Now it's solid. And let me press it again. It turns a little bit brighter. It turns even brighter. And it's at its brightest setting, I think. Okay, and then now it start blinking again. Click it one time. Low, medium, high, highest. So it has 4 levels of intensity, and then blinking. So again, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Level 4 is pretty bright. I don't know how many lumens, but it's let me find out for you guys. And then to a blinking mode. And to turn it off, you have to hold until it turns off. Okay, let me see if there's any light battery indicator. So let me turn it on. Yes, so when it's on, the indicators will tell you how much battery you have left at the back, which is really nice. Okay, let's turn that off. Okay, so it also comes with a diffuser. So when you put this on, there's going to be a gap, I guess, between the where the camera is going to be right here. It's not the camera. The light is going to sit right here, and there's going to be an extra like 1/4 of an inch that it allows to have more diffuse light. Let me see if I can get this in so that I can demonstrate that for you guys. Okay, that's not it. Sorry, I put it in the wrong hole. So this is supposed to be this way, so I'll make it come in from this hole. And this diffuser is made of silicone. It's just like a white opaque silicone. Okay, I think that's attached correctly, and now just gonna turn it on, and let's go through the different intensity. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the brightest mode right here, and yeah, it is a bit more spread, and kind of like diffuse, they call it, soft diffuse light. Very nice. Looks like the silicone is like a magnet for dust. I wasn't able to get the number of how many lumens the VL30 is, but it's 340 lux. Lux is basically a measurement of brightness at a meter square, so it's actually a more accurate representation of brightness. But if I would guess, this particular light is probably about 200 lumens, maybe 300 at the most. It's definitely not that bright. But it is pretty cheap. It's $13.95 on Amazon. It has Prime, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. And it is a very portable light, rechargeable, very easy to use, it's very flexible. So if you like this light, please use my link in the description and the first comment to buy it. And if you like this kind of content, please like it and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.